Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're peeling back the layers on Aifeex. That's Aifeex.com, an AI fund platform.
Right.
And they promise something pretty staggering: passive income, automated AI trading, and returns of what, up to 1 to 2% per day. Just click and earn.
Yeah, click to earn. That phrase alone, honestly, is a huge signal. Our goal today is really to look past that surface promise and dig into why this structure, based on our sources, just felt, well, fundamentally too good to be true right from the start.
Okay, let's start right there. That core claim, 1%, maybe even 2%, guaranteed every single day. Why is that the first giant red flag?
Well, because fixed daily returns like that are basically impossible in real markets. Think about it, 1% a day.
Yeah.
Compounded, that's over 3,600% a year.
Yeah.
No legitimate investment, not even the best hedge funds with the most advanced AI can guarantee that. Real investments go up and down.
So if it's not coming from actual market gains,
Yeah.
where's the money coming from?
Exactly the right question. It strongly suggests the payouts to early investors. They're likely funded by deposits from newer investors.
Ah, the classic pyramid or Ponzi structure.
Precisely. You're just using new money to pay off the old until you inevitably run out of new money. It's completely unsustainable.
Okay, so the math is, let's call it aspirational at best.
Yeah, that's one way to put it.
What about the credentials, the paperwork? Did Aifeex have any verifiable legitimacy? Like, were they registered anywhere?
That's the next massive hole. Our sources found basically nothing. There were no verifiable trading records, zero actual proof that any AI trading was happening.
Nothing at all.
Nope. And critically, no registration with any financial authority, no SEC, no FCA, nothing. That means zero oversight, zero protection for investors.
What about the people behind it? Usually there's a team page, some names.
Again, completely opaque.
Right.
No clear information on who was running the show. And another point, the domain itself.
Yeah.
Registered just about a year before things went dark. Scam websites often have very short lifespans like that. They pop up, collect funds, and vanish.
So internal checks show nothing solid. What about external verification? Did any third-party sites like scam checkers weigh in?
They did. And the picture isn't pretty. ScamDoc gave it a sort of middling, risky average score, which is still not great.
Okay.
But Scam Advisor, they gave Aifeex a trust score of 1 out of 100.
1 out of 100?
1. That's incredibly low. It means pretty much every check they ran screamed high risk or potential scam. We also saw Trustpilot reviews, though only 5 total. Mixed bag, 40% 5-star, 60% 1-star. Not exactly a flood of confidence.
Wow, a 1 out of 100 score. And you mentioned went dark. What's the current status?
And this is the final nail in the coffin, really. As of our latest checks, the website, Aifeex.com, is completely offline.
Gone.
Gone. Try to access it, you just get a connection timed out error, which, sadly, fits the pattern perfectly. It supports the conclusion this wasn't a trustworthy platform.
So let's sum this up for everyone listening. We had an unregulated platform making impossible promises about returns, likely using new deposits to pay earlier investors.
Textbook Ponzi signs. Yeah.
With zero transparency, terrible external trust scores, and now, poof, it's disappeared. Those initial small payouts people might have received, almost certainly bait.
Absolutely. Just enough to build false confidence and encourage bigger deposits or getting friends involved.
So what's the advice now if someone listening actually put money in?
Look, if you have funds there, try withdrawing immediately, though chances are slim now it's offline. Definitely keep records, screenshots, transaction IDs, everything. You might need it for reporting purposes later.
And if someone was thinking about joining something like this?
Honestly, don't walk, run away. There are safer, regulated ways to invest. This guaranteed high daily return model is almost always a trap. Stick to transparency.
Right. So maybe the final thought for you, the listener, is this. Next time you see that magic number 1% or more, guaranteed daily, just remember Aifeex. That single, unrealistic promise is often the fastest way to spot something that's built on shaky ground, or maybe no ground at all. Don't let the lure of easy math cloud your judgment.